今回はちょっと本来ネタにする予定ではなかったんですけれども、LED の、ハニカムライトを前回ガレージに導入しまして、一番分かりやすい作業は何かなと思った時に、モール磨きがあったので、これを実際やってみています。でまたモール磨きとあとコーティング剤をですね、いただいたというのもあって、それを使って施工をしていってます。で今マスキングの作業をしてますけれども、今回施工はちょっと順番を設けてまして、というのも E39 のアルミメッキモールについてはもう新品で出ない部分が多々あるということが、ディーラーさんへの確認で分かっていて、特に、ドア下の部分については、右フロントしか新品が出ないということで、一旦、右のルーフ側ですねだけで施工してみて、研磨剤のちょっとコツというか施工のコツをつかむという流れでやってます。今、見せているのは研磨剤で、これを、だいたい10センチから20センチ単位で1枚くらい使って磨いていくというふうに説明書に書いてありましたので、今試しに20センチですかね、一旦、テープを貼って施工をし始めてます。
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.